To enhance your gaming experience in Call of Duty, adjusting the graphics settings is essential. Follow these steps to optimize your graphics settings for better performance and visuals. Step 1. Access the graphics settings. Launch Call of Duty and navigate to the main menu. Look for the Options or Settings tab and select it. From there, find the Graphics Settings option to begin adjusting your preferences. Step 2. Choose your resolution. In the Graphics Settings menu, locate the Resolution option. Select the resolution that matches your monitor's native resolution for the best visual clarity. Higher resolutions provide better detail but may impact performance. Step 3. Adjust graphics quality. Look for the graphics quality settings, which typically include presets like low, medium, high, and ultra. Choose a setting based on your system's capabilities. If you experience lag, consider lowering the quality for smoother gameplay. Step 4. Modify frame rate limit. Find the frame rate limit option in the graphics settings. Set it to match your monitor's refresh rate, commonly 60Hz or 144Hz, to ensure a smooth gaming experience. You can also choose unlimited for maximum performance, but this may lead to screen tearing. Step 5. Enable or disable VSync. Locate the VSync option in the graphics settings. Enabling VSync can help prevent screen tearing but may introduce input lag. If you prioritize responsiveness in gameplay, consider disabling it, especially if your frame rate is stable. By following these steps, you can effectively adjust the graphics settings in Call of Duty to suit your preferences and hardware capabilities. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.